everybody, welcome back to another video. I hope you're well. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Rasmalai. Let's get started. Woo! Wait, have you seen my channel called Tasnia's World? If you haven't, go subscribe to it right now. I'll wait for you for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's get started. The ingredients you'll be needing is 1 bowl of milk, 1 cup of milk powder, half a cup of condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and you need 1 egg. You need 2 tablespoons of sugar. You need 1 tablespoon of flour. And you need 1 teaspoon of ghee. You also need 2 cadermon. Okay, so you want to get your bowl and you want to get your egg. You want to put it in here. And then what you want to do is you want to mix it very nicely. Make sure it's all mixed together like this. And it should be looking like this. Moving on. Okay, so now you want to get yourself a bigger bowl and you want to get your milk powder, pour it all in your bowl, and then you want to put some of your flour in, and then you want to get your baking powder. Put it in, and then you want to mix it all up nicely, like that. And now you want to put your eggs, as you can see. I'm going to put it all in. And now I'm going to put in the ghee, and then I'm going to mix. So put it all in like that, and I'm gonna mix. I'll come back once I finish mixing. Okay, so once you've finished mixing, it should be looking like this. While you're mixing, I recommend using your hands because it makes it easier to mix. So now we're gonna leave it for 5 minutes, and while that's happening, we're going to start cooking. So first, I'm going to get my pot and put it on top of the stove. And I'm going to turn on the light so that I can see properly. And now I'm going to put my milk. So my mom's gonna help me to turn on the fryer, and I'm going to pour in the milk. Okay, so now pour all of it in like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for 5 minutes. So yeah. Okay, so while it's cooking, I'm going to get the dough that you saw earlier, and we're going to roll it up into the shape of a ball. So just to make the dough not stick to your hands, I'm gonna get some ghee and put it all over my hands like this, as you can see. Not too much, like that. And then you want to grab about this much and roll it into a ball. So I'm gonna roll up one and show you how it needs to be done. Okay, so it needs to be this small. The ball should be looking like this, as you can see. I'm gonna put it on here, and then you just keep on doing the balls until it's finished. So I'm gonna do another one right now here. I'm going to this much, I'm going to roll it all up. This. Like that. And you just need to keep on doing it, so yeah. Okay, so after 5 minutes, it should be looking like this. I'm going to give it a nice stir so you can see how it should be like. So you can see. Now, we need to add our 2 cadermon, as you can see. Put it in. It's for flavor. And now, I'm gonna put the sugar in very carefully. And yeah, okay, so now what you wanna do is you wanna add your condensed milk. Okay, nice and carefully. As you can see, you wanna make sure you get all of them in. You don't wanna leave some of that. I'll come back once I finish pouring it in. Okay, so now that I've added all the condensed milk in it, I'm going to mix it very well from the bottom, like this. You need to mix it very well like this. You don't mix it in a circle, just need to mix it like this so that it won't splat anywhere. Like this. And then after you finish mixing, you want to leave it for 5 minutes. So yeah. Okay, so I've just finished with the balls. Now I'm going to put it in the milk. Okay, so after 5 minutes, the milk should be looking like this, as you can see. Now that I've finished with the balls, I'm going to put it in there. So I'm going to put another ball in. So you basically just need to put the balls one by one. I'll come back once I finish putting all of the balls in. Okay, so I've just finished putting all the Rasmalai balls in, and now I'm going to turn all of them over so that it could cook very nicely. So just keep on turning them over, and yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to close the lid and set it for 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, and I'm gonna open the lid, and I'm gonna get my spoon to see if it finished cooking or not. So I'm just gonna turn it all around like that. So make sure that the Rasmalai balls don't touch each other. So yeah. Okay, so the Rasmalai is finally done, and I poured it into a bowl. As you can see, it's all nice. So I'm gonna get one and put it on this plate. I'm going to get one, put it on there, and I'm going to sit on the table and I'm going to try it. So yeah, now it's the moment we've all been waiting for. So we're going to be trying it, okay? Really? Really good. 10 out of 10. I think you guys should try it. So that's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified every single time we post a new video. Bye guys. While you're mixing, I recommend using your